Today we're making these crispy, super flavorful and delicious fried chicken wings, perfect for the Super Bowl. Let's get into the recipe. Alright, let's start by marinating your chicken wings. It's already washed. Here I'll season with some garlic and onion powder, seasoned salt, chicken bouillon, black pepper, and some sazon. You want to add that to the chicken wings along with some oil. Get in there and mix well until they're nicely coated. Once done, you want to set aside and marinate for about an hour or two. So once you're done marinating, you want to go ahead and add some cornstarch to the chicken wings. Use cornstarch and not flour. This will help to make the wings extra crispy. And you want to rub it in real well. Make sure all the cornstarch is dissolved, and it should be looking like this once you're done. Next, we're going to go ahead and preheat our oil. Today I'm using canola oil, but feel free to use any oil of your choice. Once the oil heats up, you want to go in there and fry your chicken wings. Fry for about 10 to 12 minutes. It all depends on how you like your chicken wings. If you like them extra hard, fry for about 12 minutes. I fried mine for about 10 minutes because I like it to be nice and crispy on the outside, but still juicy on the inside. So yeah, you will just remove them and go ahead and fry the second batch of chicken wings. Here you have it, extra crispy, delicious fried chicken wings. This is perfect for the Super Bowl, but check out the condiments that I made in honor of Valentine's Day. It's ranch and hot sauce. So cute. Give the recipe a try. Let me know what you guys think. I will leave all my ingredients and measurements in the description or the caption, and I'll see you guys in my next one. Thank you for watching and enjoy.